はい、Welcome to スーパーヒーローズキッチン。スーパーヒーローズのキッチンへようこそ。さあ、今日はですね、ナスとチンゲン菜の、スパイシー味噌炒めを作ります。So today's cooking I will make it for the eggplant, Japanese eggplant with Shanghai bok choy, and then I make a spicy miso sauce. So let's cook it. So I will cut it for the Japanese eggplant. This is a powder. Okay, and this much. Always careful to watch the finger and then knife. This okay. Two people cut this side. I already washed the vegetables. So first one, after cut, eggplant is deep fried, and then chingen sai is sauteed with using the fry pan. Cutting this way, like evenly cutting the sections. We got this one. This is here. This one. Okay. So and the chingen. ナスのカットはこういうですね。こんな感じで切ってもらいます。チンゲン菜はだいたいこのものだったら4分の1カットでしますね。こんな感じですね。ちっちゃいのは半分でいいですね。まあたまに虫がいますけど、虫がいたらとりあえずちょっとびっくりしますので、しっかり取り除けば大丈夫ですね。でこちらが今日は調味料ですね。調味料はこれがガーリックおろしたやつですね。でこれがガーリックとチリパウダー唐辛子のすりおろしたやつですね。でこちらがオールガニックの砂糖でこれがソイ醤油みりんで味噌ダークミー味噌ですね。実は八丁味噌です。This one I'm preparing for the ingredients. Today make sauce. This grated garlic and then spicy chili powder and then organic sugar. This is soy sauce and then cooking sake mirin and then dark bean miso we call hachou miso. This before is use a fry pan. I already mix it because it's easy to this is 1 tablespoon chili. This almost 2.5 tablespoon and soy sauce, cooking sake mix, and this is miso. 1, 2. Mix. Because this is a hachou miso a little bit salty, so I don't put the salt additional. Maybe a last bit on the fry pan and a little bit pinch of the salt touch and black pepper or white pepper. It's good, very good. So. I preheated the fry pan, and then this is the oil. This is oil cooking, I think 160 or maybe 170. degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's ready. So at home, a little bit for the fire is a little lower. So, but what I'm using for the commercial kitchen one, so I put it all the current here. So 家で作る場合は温度が多分低いので、ナスは半分ぐらいずつ入れた方がいいですね。揚げ物で重要なところは温度の関係で気をつけた方がいいですね。で、so I started I put it in a fry pan with a eggplant mixed with a mixed sauce already. So first I put in the oil, heated the fry pan, put in the oil, and then saute all the bok choy. A little bit taste sweeter, then a little bit of salt, pepper, black pepper, white pepper. 黒胡椒と白胡椒入れましたね。で、これちょっとだしをちょっと入れます。これ大体スチームでクックする蒸す感じですね。だけちょっと蒸す感じですね。で、ここでちょうどこのソースを入れます。で、こちらはちょっと火を弱めます。Maybe for the in a little small fire, and please shooting for the eggplant. Eggplant color is a little the golden color, surface change, right? And the eggplant is oil is good combination. ナスを揚げるとすごい美味しいですね。で、大体いつ揚げ時かというと、あとこっちで絡めるだけなので、このナスも表面がこう黄色くなってきた感じですね。茶色くなってきたらもうレディーですね。This color is almost ready to pick up, and then after putting the oil, cut off the oil to the mix with bok choy. Yeah.完成です。チンゲン菜とナスのスパイシー味噌炒めでした。それではですね。で、これが七味ですね。七味、ジャパニーズセブンスパイス。で、完成です。完成です。こちらで。Okay, so easy to cooking. Please enjoy my Japanese cooking at home demo. And if you like my video, please give me the like. Yes. So have a good day, and thank you for watching. See you next time.